Hi guys! For today's video, ang ipapakita namin sa inyo ay micro long nose cutting pliers MTC-13. So guys, ito siya. So what is the use of micro long nose cutting pliers MTC-13? Side cutting micro long nose pliers, also sold as Japan imported MTC-13 needle nose pliers, is a small precision hand tool that combines the function of long nose, needle nose pliers with a cutting edge near the pivot. It is especially useful for detailed, delicate work in tight spaces. Primary uses. Number 1. Gripping and holding small parts. The long, narrow jaws let you reach into confined areas and grasp tiny components firmly. Number 2. Cutting thin wire. Built-in cutting edges allow the tool to snip soft wires, e.g., copper or mild steel, up to around 1 mm thickness or slightly more depending on the specific plier's capacity. Number 3. Bending and shaping wire or metal. Great for twisting, shaping, or positioning wire during assembly or repair. Number 4. Electronics and precision work. Ideal for manipulating leads on circuit boards, bending component legs, and doing fine adjustments in electronics, model building, and craft projects. How it works. Number 1. Long nose, needle nose design. The slender, pointed jaws help access tight spaces where standard pliers can't reach. Number 2. Serrated jaws for grip. Teeth on the inside of the jaws help grip smooth or small material securely. Number 3. Cutting edge. A small cutter near the fulcrum lets you trim wire without needing a separate cutter tool. Typical application. Number 1. Precision electronics assembly and repair. Number 2. Jewelry making and crafting. Number 3. Hobby modeling and miniatures. Number 4. Electrical wiring task, small gauge wire. Number 5. DIY projects requiring fine manipulation of wire or components. In short, the MTC-13 micro long nose cutting pliers are versatile precision tool combining gripping, bending, and cutting functions, specially suited for small-scale work and tight spaces. So guys, yan ang ating micro long nose cutting pliers. So ito ang kanyang harap. Ito ang kanyang likod. So, actual naman guys, ito ang ating micro long nose cutting pliers. Siya guys, kung makikita nyo guys, may nakauukit doon sa mismong micro long nose cutting pliers natin na MTC-13. Yan siya guys. So, ayun lang guys. So, ito ang ating micro long nose cutting pliers MTC-13. So guys, please subscribe our YouTube channel and TikTok account. Thank you.